Don't buy the Air 3 because it's the same size sensor as the Mini 3. Really? Let's take a closer look. Any photographer will tell you that the more glass that a lens has, the more light can actually get into the sensor. So what I've done, I've measured the glass area of each of the cameras. These are only rough measurements, but the Mini 3 Pro has a glass area of 64 square millimeters. The 24mm lens on the Air 3 has a glass area of 88 square millimeters, and the 17mm lens on the Air 3 has a glass area of 121 square millimeters. That's nearly double the glass area of the Mini 3 Pro. So it may be the same size sensor, but there's more glass area on the Air 3, plus things get better. It may stay the same size, but this new processor is actually a multi-layered processor. It processes the light coming into the sensor in a different way, more efficient. Don't get me wrong, I love my Mini 3, it goes everywhere with me, but the capabilities of this camera on the Air 3 and the bigger airframe just opens up totally new possibilities. So I'm going to go out and take some photos with both of the drones, and then you can compare the difference. I'll see you in a minute. Can you tell which is which? Both acceptable, but the one on the right has just got that little bit more detail in the shadows, better highlights, better colour, and look at the water, it's far better defined. Just to be fair, I shot both video and stills in auto with a normal colour profile. This I shot with a 70mm lens on the Air 3, and as you can see the detail is fantastic. You can stop and rewind all this video or the following photos and just have a look and compare them yourself and see what you think. So yes, it is the same size sensor, but it is not the same sensor. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I just want to get to 100 subscribers. Anything above that is a bonus. It just makes it a bit more worthwhile me doing these videos. Thanks again, see you later.